To make 90 degrees tube, you will need sheet of paper, scissors, pencil, and ruler. For first steps, it will look hard, but believe me, it's easy to make. Just follow step by steps how I do it. First step, take paper and round it around tube. Make sure it's directly at tube's edge. The second step, mark lines where paper edges connects together. The third step, take ruler and draw straight line at points where you marked. The fourth step, take scissors and cut at the line. Here is the cut side. The fifth step, take other side and fold it together to cute side. Keep folded place to right side. The sixth step, measure your tube. The seventh step, take ruler and mark on both sides your size of tube. Mine is 7 centimeters. And draw the straight line. The eighth step, measure on the line half of your tube size. Mine is 3.5 centimeters and draw straight line down. Do the same to other side. The ninth step, take now your tube and put in first square. Tube must be directly half on paper. Look that it not cross the lines left, front, right side. If it's placed right, then draw the semicircular line around tube. Now do the same to other side. Tenth step, draw straight line from one side to other side. Now take scissors and cut the line. Open the paper and put it on tube and draw line around tube. And that's it. Now you have 45 degrees line around tube. Now cut with angle grinder around tube. If it is necessary, grind around tube at cut places if they not smooth. Put them together and you have perfect 90 degrees tube. I hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.